Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Cassie Makeover. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful wig, and I make for people also, so just in case you like it and you want me to make for you, just leave a message in the comment section. I will let you know how to go about it. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Let me show you how I did this lovely hair. So I started by sharing the middle. I'm going to weave it all back, and I'm going to be doing like feeding braid. I'm taking the attachment little by little and be feeding in the braids. So guys, just keep watching. You understand all I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying right here? Watching this video up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and share to your friends and family. Support me by subscribing. Just hit on the subscribe button. It is free of charge. So I'm done weaving the middle part, just that one, and I'm going to go to the side now. And this style is two steps, so I'm trying to divide the hair, to part the hair to the four section. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. The first section, there's going to be two steps at the right, two steps at the left side. So I was done with the left hand side. I did it off camera. What I'm doing here, I'm trying to bring out the baby hair from the lace frontal, so when I finish it will be looking all natural and cool. That's what I'm just doing here. I'm not going to bore you all with my long talk, so just keep watching. You understand, the video is very detailed. Just keep it watching and understand, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not, because what are you waiting for? was done weaving the front, I went to the back and I did the normal braiding. I did it off camera, so I didn't show it here. So guys, I'm done with the wig. See how beautiful it is. See how beautiful it is looking, and it's looking so natural. Like, don't worry, when I wear it, when you guys see me wear it, you see how natural it looks. I did the rest of the styling, applying, putting on the accessories rather. I did it off camera. I'm going to do my edges off camera and I'll come back and show you how this looks. So yeah guys, this is the after look after my edges are ready. I'm looking all slay and good. You can style the hair anyhow you want. You can pack it up because it's 2 steps, so, and it's frontal, it's lace frontal, so you can pack it the way you want. Nobody will even know it's a wig. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys love this video. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. I will see you all in my next video. I love you all.